Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a custom domain on Vercel. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have your domain registrar credentials ready, and this will help you make your project accessible with your personalized URL. So first, you will open your Vercel dashboard, and then of course you have to make sure that you already have your project here so that you will be able to actually proceed to the next step. And after that, you will just have to click settings and then click domains and then click add. Next, you will type your domain in the field and then click add again and then note the CNAME or a record instructions provided by Vercel. And after that, you will open your domain registrar dashboard and then click DNS settings and then add the required CNAME or a records exactly as shown. Next, wait a few minutes and then you will just have to return to your Vercel and then click verify, and finally you will just have to check your website using your domain in a browser to ensure that it's working. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.